Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Starbucks gift card on DoorDash. First, open the DoorDash app, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner to open your account settings. Go to Settings and click Payment Method. Under the Payment section, tap the Redeem Gift Card and try entering your Starbucks gift card code here. Note, some Starbucks gift cards may not be accepted on DoorDash directly. If it doesn't work, don't worry, you can still use a credit or debit card, PayPal, or DoorDash credits to pay for your Starbucks order. Go back and search for Starbucks. Select your store, place your order, and choose your payment method at checkout. And that's it. That's how to use a Starbucks gift card on DoorDash. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.